back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a collective haul of all the things that I've bought in the last week or two. I have Hobby Lobby, Christmas decor, I got stuff from Walmart, Target, and Ikea. So I'm going to show you everything I got. Some of them is Christmas presents, some of them is just like winter apparel, Christmas decorations, and just a little bit of everything. First, I will start with Ikea. I was so excited to go to Ikea because we live 2 hours away. I used to live a lot closer when I lived in Ohio, so it's been about 2 years since I've been to Ikea, and I kind of like made a list of like the cheaper things. I just wanted to go and I didn't really want to spend over $100. I ended up spending $60, and I'll show you like some of the must-haves that I wanted. I did forget a few things because naturally I forgot my list in the car. So I got this glass jar with the wooden lid. The lid actually comes separate. I think this was $3 and the jar was about $3. And I wanted this for our bathroom because I like to take Epsom salt baths, and I really just kind of wanted something like pretty to put the Epsom salts in. So that's what this is for. Next thing I got was 2 feather pillow inserts. This is just one. I've taken it out of the wrapper. I actually haven't put it inside of the cover yet, but I got 2 of these. These were $7 a piece. They are feather inserts, but they do not come through like the material. I have 2 pillows in my living room that drive me insane. They were on sale at Hobby Lobby back a couple months ago, and I bought them because I love the covers, and I kept the covers, but I threw the inserts away because no matter what I did, there was feathers all over the place. Like every time I filmed, there was a feather just like sticking out of my pants or on my butt or on my shirt, my arm, and it was just driving me insane, and it poked you every time you leaned up against it. So I got these. I was a little hesitant at first because it said they were feather inserts, but I know a lot of people get these, they love them, and by looking at the material, I don't think the feathers are going to come through. Next thing I got at Ikea was in their Christmas line that they had out. I don't know if this is just their Christmas line or if this is a blanket they sell all the time. But for $7, I got this huge blanket, and it is so pretty. I just love the detail, and it's just simple, and on the edge you have this little feathering or whatever, but it's actually really good quality. I was very hesitant at first to buy it because it was only $7, but they had one out on the couch, so I felt it and I was like, oh yeah, this is totally worth it. And next thing I got that everybody seems to have is this basket. This basket I think was $11.99 or $12, something like that, but it is super nice for toys or a blanket. I would say more so toys because it's only gonna fit like one blanket in here. But yeah, it collapses, it's very flexible. My kids actually love it. All they've done is put like toys in and take toys out and just like drag it around the house. So I'm very happy about this. You can also put a plant inside this. And last thing that I got at Ikea is these Christmas trees. So this is a fairly good size, as you can see. They were $9.99. I feel like this is a really good price for these types of trees. I know this is like a big thing, like Target has tons and tons of these, so does Hobby Lobby, but for the price, I felt like for the size of this, $10 was a really good deal. So I actually got 2 of these, and I'm going to use these in my Christmas decor. So that's everything I got from Ikea. Next, I'm going to do Target just because I have some things that I need to put away in the freezer. I literally just got back from Target. I'm trying to hurry and do this before I have to go pick my oldest up from preschool. So I did get this. I don't know if you know what mochi is literally like the best thing ever. I'm not a big peppermint person, but I know my husband will probably like this, so I'll try one. If I don't like it, he'll eat them. But mochi is literally like an all-time favorite. I love strawberry. If you've never tried mochi, give it a try it. My mom doesn't like it. She doesn't like the texture of it, but I love these. So good. Next thing I got is for a recipe that I'm going to make today. This is just a very simple dip that I grew up on. It is literally 3 ingredients. You have cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese you want to put on top. You have a can of salsa, and then you mix it with sour cream. So you mix these two together. You just kind of go to whatever consistency you like, if you like it more creamy or more chunky, and then you just sprinkle this all over the top, and then you use like tortilla chips to eat it. So I bought these chips. This is the new Target brand. It's supposed to be like their organic brand. It's called Good and Gather Organic. I wanted to try their white corn tortilla chips. And then I got the blue corn with flaxseed tortilla chips. I bought 2 of them because they actually right now have a deal. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and they're only $2.99, which makes them cheaper than like the name brand ones. So I thought I would give it a try. Next, from Target, I got these colorful lights. This is for Chloe's Christmas tree that I got her this year. I got her a unlit Christmas tree. So these were actually $4.50. They're originally $4.99, but they had them 10% off. So I went ahead and bought her some of these. Also, I got 2 ornaments. I will give one to Chloe and then one to Emma. So these were $3 at Target. I got this cute little mermaid one, and I will just let Emma choose which one she wants since she's old enough. And then a unicorn, and this was also $3. Super cute and like good quality for $3 ornaments. Never bought ornaments at Target before. Another thing that I bought is ribbon. I needed some type of ribbon for my fireplace. I have a wreath that I will be showing you here in a minute that I'm going to be hanging up on the shiplap, and I just needed this to tie it in. Honestly, Target ribbon was really expensive. I ended up getting this for $5, which is not too bad, but when I was first looking at their big section of ribbon, I was like, $10, $6, like I'm not gonna pay that for like a tiny piece of ribbon that I need. So whatever, I needed it, I couldn't leave without it. Other things that I got at Target is I got these oil sheets. I honestly don't use these very often, but I used them enough that I felt like I needed to buy another pack. The last time I bought a pack of these was like 6 years ago, and I just ran out. So I definitely love these. I've never tried the name brand ones. I've just always used the Up and Up, and they're pretty good. And this is the eyebrow pencil that I use. I've used other things, and this has always just worked great for me. Super inexpensive and gets the job done. Next couple of things that I got at Target is I got this for Chloe for Christmas, and you put it in the water once this is covered up. Yeah, so this is going to be for Chloe for Christmas. For Emma, I got her, she's really big into puzzles, and so are we, so this was a really good deal. This was $10, and it comes with 4 puzzles. There is 2 puzzles that have 48 pieces, 72 pieces, and a 100-piece puzzle. So I really like this new brand that Target seems to have. It's called Chuckle and Roar, and they had tons of things, like a whole section that was $15 and below, and it was all like learning type of things. There's a whole bunch of really cool things for kids ages like 5 and up, so a lot of like fun games and whatnot. But I loved this. I thought this was a good idea because it's kind of hard to find puzzles for a 3-year-old that's like not too advanced but like not too young. Like she's past the wooden puzzle stage, and this is like the perfect thing for her. Another Christmas present I seen that Caitlin Nair, she had bought her daughter this a while back, and I thought this was really cool. Emma loves flashlights and things like that, and this is just a solar system. It teaches them. It's from the brand, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like that B brand. I don't know, Target has a lot of these, and this is a really good brand, but as you can see, it shines, so you would shine this on the ceiling, and it comes with 2 reels. So I thought this was really cute. I think this was like $12 or something. And lastly, Emma really needs some pants. She's been going through like a major growth spurt, like just all of a sudden, like overnight, like no joke. All of a sudden, all her shoes didn't fit, her pants were getting too short, her shirt sleeves were getting short, like I don't know what it was, but this girl like grew overnight. So I got her some pants. They have these black leggings. They're very sparkly and festive, and she loves sparkly. I got the black because it will go with a lot of different shirts that she has, and they actually had a sale right now. So these are originally $5, but they had, their leggings were $4 for kids. And then I got her just a pair of jeggings. These were $7, just typical. And then their shirts, I think ended up being, it says they're originally $5, so maybe these were also $4. I just got her a black plain shirt because she has a pair of like pink leggings that I can't ever seem to find something to go with, so I thought the black shirt would be good. And then I just got her the shirt that has a little rainbow on it and it says happy. So I got all that. That was pretty inexpensive. Oh, another thing. I got these. These were like less than $3. They're just cute little rubber duckies. I thought these would be cute to put inside of Chloe's stocking. If you don't know, I have a 3-year-old and I have a 1-year-old. So I thought this was great for my 1-year-old. Next, I will do Walmart because I didn't get that much at Walmart. I got this watch for Emma for her Christmas stocking. She's really into Frozen, like what kid is not into Frozen? And it lights up like this. And then this was like the only Christmas decor prop thing that I got at Walmart, but this is a 24-inch flocked wreath, and it was, I want to say it was $10. So I do have the garland that matches this, and this will be the wreath that will go up above my fireplace. So you guys will see this in the upcoming week or two when I do my decorate with me. Next is Hobby Lobby. I do want to go back and buy a couple things like wooden garland and stuff like that for my Christmas tree, but I did go with both of my kids. It was a little overwhelming and it was packed, and I just got what I could and was in and out. So this is what I got. I got this little wooden sign for my tiered tray. Thought this was really cute and simple. I got a pack of 3 of this lamb's ear that has like the sparkles on it. This came in a 3-pack. My daughter had to have this, so she picked this out. It is a Santa like egg timer. So I was like, what the heck, who cares? It's cute, you can have it, whatever. And this was another thing that I had to have. This is like concrete-ish ceramic. It's just a big black tree, and I love it because I have a lot of like white shiplap, and I plan to put this like up on the shelf. Thought this was really cute. And then I got this. This will go on the tiered tray, but it will be something that we will use. It's full of like glittery fake snow, and it just says it's reindeer food and like to sparkle it in the yard, and it will bring the reindeers in and they'll see it sparkling in the moonlight. So I thought that was super cute, and I figured for $7.99, so 50% off, that's not a bad price. And if I just save it, I can refill it each year and put it on my tiered tray. Thought that was really cute. Chloe, her Christmas tree. This is a 3-foot fancy pine unlit Christmas tree. I have obviously not taken it out of the box yet, but it was a really good price at Hobby Lobby. This was only $13. Like, I paid $20 for Emma's last year, and I just thought like $13, I can't beat it. So got her tree, and I cannot wait to start decorating their rooms and just everything. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like hauls, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what was your favorite thing that I bought, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.